Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Fashion Shop. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive trendy daily wear sarees collections only for you. So let me display this one. Very nice one, art silk material, kotki printed one, kotki pattern design, art silk material, but easy drapable, soft one. This one, full base part all over kotki printed, contrast color border all over base, art silk material. And this one pallu portions, contrast color with highlighted stripes pattern pallu. And this one full base part, easy drapable, lightweight, same material saree today I have draped. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base pattern type. This cotton fabric, fully weaving stripes work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and bright looks. And next one also same pattern, same material, different color only, art silk material, kotki pattern, very nice one. This one is full base part all over kotki printed, and this portion is border portion, contrast color with kotki pattern design all over, based for your daily wear, art silk. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, highlighted contrast color stripes pattern pallu. And this one is full piece, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. And next one also nice color combination, same material, same pattern, different color, kotki pattern, and all over kotki base, art silk material, very nice and elegant look. This portion is border portions, contrast color, kotki border all over, nice design, very nice looks. This one full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu portions, highlighted contrast color stripes pattern pallu, and this one is border. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, fully weaving stripes work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. And this one khadi base, pure handloom khadi cotton with beautiful contrast color border with fine weaving design, katha stitch pattern, weaving stripes design all over base. This one three color set, ikat pattern design, contrast color border, ikat highlighted contrast border all over, katha stitch pattern, stitching weaving stripes with beautiful design work, and soft one khadi cotton base. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu in beautiful stripes, fully katha stitch pattern, weaving stitching stripes with buta work, pallu in pom pom design, and this one is border portions, very elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy self weaving brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. And a very beautiful color combination, semi organza base all over, jute stripes, checks pattern design, very nice one. This one is full base part, semi organza base all over, jute stripes design. This one is full base part, contrast border all over base, semi organza with jute and contrast color, fine weaving checks pattern design. And this one is pallu portions, highlighted pink shaded contrast with beautiful highlighted stripes pattern pallu. And this one full base part, very bright looks, contrast border all over, checks design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part. And this cotton fabric, fully weaving stripes work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. This one also crepe satin material with all over floral printed one, very nice looks. This one is full base part all over bright floral printed one, crepe satin material. This one is pallu portions, bright printed pallu. This one is pallu, and this one running blouse piece, different printed one. And this one is full base part, very bright fresh looks all over, digital printed one, crepe satin material, fancy material. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. And next one also, nice color combinations, bright one art silk but bright color combinations. This one is black base with gicha threaded weaving border and pallu, very nice looks. This one is full base part, all over plain base, and this portion is border portions, fully gicha threaded weaving border, black base art silk bright looks, and this one is full base part all over border, and this one is pallu portions, heavy gicha threaded weaving highlighted pallu. This one is pallu portions, weaving pallu, and this one is border portions, very bright looks, art silk material, and this cotton fabric, fully weaving stripes work, contrast blouse piece with this for your trendy looks. And this one, nice color combination, silk rayon base, digital printed one, weaving border design all over, digital printed fancy looks. This one is full base part, all over printed. This portion is border portions, threaded weaving design work, Banarasi border, and all over phrase digital printed one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, beautiful pom pom design, and all over printed. And I purchased this silk material, fully Banarasi weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and trendy looks. And this one also, nice color combinations, semi organza base, all over fine weaving design work base with sivori badhni printed one. This one is full base part, all over sivori badhni printed, semi organza base, easy drapable golden zari border, all over sivori badhni printed one, smart looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, contrast color with fine weaving design work, highlighted pallu. This one is pallu portions, and this one full base part, and this cotton fabric, fully weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this for your smart looks. And this one also, nice color combination, semi cotton base, golden zari piping, and all over zari stripes with buta work, very elegant looks. This one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom, semi cotton base, zari stripes all over with design buta work, golden zari piping, and this one pallu portions, fully feather like weaving, self weaving stripes with highlighted golden zari stripes design pallu. And this one full base part, very elegant and bright looks, pure handloom, semi cotton base. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, and is this silk material, fully mirror embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. And a very nice color combinations, wax batik printed one, pure malmal cotton with beautiful printed and fully hand wax batik printed one. The half portion is beautiful batik printed. This portion is upper base part to pallu and half portions beautiful printed, and this portion is split section, mustard yellow and border, wax batik printed one, contrast color. This portion is split section, and this one is upper base part to pallu end and running blouse piece, and is this cotton fabric, fully weaving stripes work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart looks. And this one also nice color combinations, very elegant look, same material, malmal cotton with wax batik printed one, hand printed. This one half portions, upper base part to pallu in same batik printed one, and this one is split sections, border batik printed, and base part is plain. This one is split section, this one is running blouse piece, and half portion is all over printed, and this one pallu in very smart and elegant looks, fresh one based for your daily wear. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu, and it is this cotton fabric, fully weaving stripes work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and elegant looks, daily looks. And this one also same material, same pattern, malmal cotton with wax batik printed one, batik printed, and this one full base part, very smart trendy looks, office looks. This one is full base part. This portion is split section, highlighted wax batik printed stripes design. This one is split portion stripes, and this one is upper base part to pallu end. This one is pallu end, all over batik printed one, very elegant and fresh looks. Malmal cotton, soft one, summer wear. This one is split section, this one is black, plain black running blouse piece, and this one pallu. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, nice printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant looks. This one also nice color combinations, peach shade with highlighted design work, fully weaving pallu, and base part is border portions, embroidery design work, fine embroidery design. This one full base part, plain base, border portions, fine floral embroidery design work, and pallu portions fully golden zari with threaded weaving design work, highlighted pallu, fully heavy weaving work but soft one, premium quality, pure handloom, silk rayon base, border embroidery, and pallu fully weaving work. This one is full base part, lightweight, and this one is running blouse piece. And this is this silk material, heavy brocade Banarasi work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. Very beautiful one, nice color combinations, soft silk material, semi cotton base, golden zari border, pure handloom, and all over base part is fine self weaving leheria design. This one is fully weaving leheria design work, golden zari border, all over badhni butta printed one, and this one is pallu portions, beautiful printed highlighted pallu. This one is stripes pattern printed pallu, very nice look, soft one, based for your daily wear, office wear, smart one. This one all over base badhni butta printed, and base part is self weaving leheria design base with printed one, badhni butta printed, golden zari border, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part. And this cotton fabric, fully weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. And this one also nice color combinations, cotton slab material and bright red shade with printed one, kalamkari printed contrast color, silver zari with printed border, all over fresh bright printed one. This one is pallu portions, contrast stripes pattern printed pallu, all over kalamkari printed one, soft one, summer wear, based for your daily wear, office wear. This one full base part, silver zari border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, fully printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart looks. And this one cotton kota, all over fresh printed one, half-inch golden zari border, and all over beautiful printed one, a very lightweight, comfortable, smart looks, pure cotton kota, chanderi cotton with kota weaving base, nice printed one, and very soft one, lightweight golden zari half-inch border. And this one is pallu portions, beautiful highlighted printed pallu, and this one full base part, chanderi cotton kota with printed. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, fully printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and trendy looks. And this one fully nice color combinations, bright fresh red shade or soft silk organza base, and all over plain base with kota checks pattern design, self weaving kota checks pattern base, organza soft organza base. And this one is border portions, beautiful zari weaving design work border, and this one is all over base. And this one pallu portions, very lightweight fine material. This one is contrast color pallu with fine weaving design work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is all over base, soft organza kota fine self weaving. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright and fresh looks. Very beautiful one Banarasi linen fabric, Banarasi linen with design work, very nice looks, bright magenta pink shade, premium quality, pure handloom Banarasi silk linen with beautiful design work, traditional border and all over butta design, fully Banarasi weaving butta design, fresh and bright looks, traditional looks. And this one, pallu portions fully heavy fine Banarasi weaving design work, pallu all over butta, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu portions and all over base, very elegant and traditional looks. And this is the silk material, heavy mirror embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your gorgeous looks. Next one also, nice color combinations, bright sky blue shade border, lace, premium quality, pure handloom, silk linen base with silver zari weaving butta all over base, very trendy and fashionable smart looks, border, lace, silk linen base all over, silver zari weaving heavy butta design. And this one, pallu portions fully silver zari weaving heavy design work, pallu soft one, and this one, full base part all over butta, silver zari butta. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, full base part. And such is this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. And next one, soft semi cotton base and golden zari half inch border all over, fresh butta printed one, smart looks, based for your daily wear, office wear. This one is full base part, this portion is border portions, golden zari border and contrast color printed, and all over same printed butta printed. And this one, pallu portion, fully nice printed highlighted pallu, and this one, full base part, very soft one, summer wear all over, fresh printed. This one is running blouse piece, and this is silk material, diagonally weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and trendy looks. And next one also, nice color combination, same material, semi cotton base all over, fresh printed one. This one, full base part all over printed, and this portion is border portions, contrast color highlighted printed border, very soft one, based for your daily wear, office wear. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, pallu portions, highlighted stripes pattern printed pallu, and full base part, very soft one. And this cotton fabric weaving butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart looks. Nice color combinations, Dupian silk cotton Banarasi work, very nice one, pure handloom Dupian silk cotton material, mixed material with but soft one, with heavy Banarasi weaving, traditional border all over Banarasi butta, soft one. And this one, full base part all over Banarasi design work, and this one, pallu portions, fully zari weaving design, heavy work, Banarasi worked pallu. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, full base part. And this silk material, diagonally weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright and fresh looks. For more collections, please visit our website. Our website link is www.risefashions.com. All the info written in video description, so please follow the description part. And today I have brought a beautiful saree, very nice looks, art silk material, bright black shade, contrast color border all over, fresh printed one. And this one, pallu portions, fully contrast color stripes pattern printed pallu, beautiful saree with blouse, hakoba blouse. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.